Hey, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, Alex. But wait, what time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, and I am still in my pajamas.
Me too. But that is okay because today is Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is my favorite day of the week.
Mine too. No work, no alarm, just rest.
I love it. So, Alex, what do you do on a lazy Sunday at home?
I stay in bed a little longer. Then I make coffee. Then I do nothing.
That sounds perfect. What about you, Emma?
I watch my favorite show, drink tea, and maybe read a little.
That sounds so cozy.
It really is. So learners, today we are talking about a lazy Sunday at home. Simple English, slow and easy, just for you.
So get comfortable and enjoy.
So, Emma, what time do you wake up on Sunday?
Usually around 9 or 10 in the morning.
Oh, nice. Do you use an alarm?
No, never on Sunday. I just wake up naturally.
That is the best feeling.
Yes, no alarm, no rush. Just wake up slowly.
I always sleep a little extra on Sunday, too.
Me too. My body just needs that extra rest.
And after waking up, what do you do first?
First thing, I make a big cup of tea.
Tea. I make coffee.
Haha, coffee or tea, both are perfect for a lazy Sunday morning.
Then I just sit by the window and enjoy the quiet morning.
Oh, that sounds so peaceful, Alex.
It really is. No phone, no noise, just me and my coffee.
That is real relaxation.
Okay, Emma. So what do you usually do on a lazy Sunday?
Well, first I watch my favorite show on TV.
Oh, nice. What kind of shows do you like?
I love romantic comedies. They are funny and easy to watch.
I prefer action movies.
Of course you do, Alex.
After the movie, I usually order some food.
Oh yes, cooking on Sunday feels like too much work.
Exactly. Sunday is for ordering pizza.
I usually order noodles or soup.
That sounds delicious. And after eating?
I take a small nap on the sofa.
A Sunday nap is the best nap.
It really is. Just close your eyes, no stress, no worries.
Pure happiness.
And learners, useful phrases today. I usually, I like to. On Sundays, I always.
Try using these to describe your lazy Sunday. Okay, learners, now let us learn some useful words for today.
These are simple, everyday words, very useful for talking about your day.
Word 1, relaxing. It means feeling calm and free from stress. Sunday is the most relaxing day of the week.
Word 2, comfortable. It means feeling very easy and cozy. I feel so comfortable on my sofa on Sundays.
Word 3, lazy. It means not wanting to do anything active. I am so lazy on Sundays. I just rest all day.
Word 4, peaceful. It means quiet and calm, no noise or stress. Sunday mornings are so peaceful and quiet.
Word 5, recharge. It means getting your energy back after a busy week.
I use Sunday to recharge for the new week.
So our 5 words today are relaxing, comfortable, lazy, peaceful, recharge.
Now, Emma, use all 5 words in one sentence.
Okay. On a peaceful and relaxing Sunday, I feel so comfortable being lazy on my sofa and I recharge for the week.
Wow, perfect, Emma.
Learners, now you try in the comments.
Okay, Emma, let us practice some real conversations now.
Great idea. Learners, listen carefully and repeat after us.
Imagine someone asks you, "What do you do on Sundays?"
You can say, on Sundays, I usually stay at home and relax.
Or, "I like to watch movies and drink coffee on Sundays."
Or, Sunday is my rest day. I sleep late and do nothing.
All of these are perfect natural answers.
Now let us practice together. Alex, ask me.
Emma, what do you do on a lazy Sunday?
On a lazy Sunday, I stay at home, I watch TV, eat good food, and sleep a little.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
It really is. Now, learners, your turn.
Answer this question in the comments. What do you do on a lazy Sunday at home?
Write 2 or 3 simple sentences. We will read every answer.
Okay, learners, we are almost at the end.
But before we go, let us quickly remember what we learned today.
Today, we talked about a lazy Sunday at home.
We learned how to describe your Sunday morning, waking up late, no alarm, just rest.
We talked about lazy activities, watching TV, ordering food, taking a nap.
And we learned 5 new words: relaxing, comfortable, lazy, peaceful, recharge.
And we practiced real sentences like, on Sundays I usually, and I like to.
Now here is your challenge.
Go to the comments and write, on a lazy Sunday I.
Finish that sentence in simple English. We will reply to you.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to AI Talk English channel for new lessons every week, totally free.
This is Alex.